Well, hello. I'm Gabby.
I'm Ange.
And we currently are out here.
Smoking. We about to get some Popeyes.
Yes.
For the first time ever.
Dude, I can't see shit.
Wow.
Wedding
We're
cake.
listening to our new song. It just dropped. Well, my new song with this dude. His name's Kid Len. He's dope as fuck. Popping too much, pull a cup. Doing all these drugs, I'm going numb. I'm numb. This is another one of my favorites by my homeboy, Kid Len. It's called Expressway. It's not out yet. Unreleased music right here. This is all underground as fuck.
Yeah, I feel like, I think the videos we're gonna try and upload is just, I think us kind of going through her music journey and just, because she be doing showcases, we travel sometimes, vlogs, mukbangs, like whatever, challenges, whatever y'all want to see, funny shit, like, we're gonna have a whole variety, we're gonna get it all set up, and it's gonna be lit.
I've never really YouTubed. Like, she has more experience with YouTube than me. Like, I don't be watching YouTube. I
love it, man. I love that shit. I love real people, real time, real shit. But I think it is good to get comments because I feel like every YouTube video I've ever watched, there's some point where YouTubers like leave a comment and that has to do with something. Getting views, getting, money. It's what we're trying to do,
I just poked 3 lines in the lemonade. I've been getting danced, not a hoe, she tryna come away. I ain't worried about nobody, I'm just tryna stack the cake. Just stay up tonight. Just stay up, make it right.
This is released on YouTube, SoundCloud, and iTunes, all platforms.
Tell me everything. Tell me everything.
We'll see you guys later, probably when we're sitting down to take oil and eat Popeyes. Hold on. We still going. Hello. So as you can see, we have a lot of Popeyes, like $40 worth. Before we try it, we are going to be doing this to make it a little more entertaining. So we both have an empty stomach, haven't eaten all day. It's like 5 o'clock right now. This is what it looks like. And we're gonna put this on something and we'll get high throughout the video. Yeah, kinda. There we go. So, you really only need a little bit. I've added a lot because I have a high tolerance and yeah. I'm just used to it at this point. But anyway, we have an assortment. Right now we have fried chicken, we got the chicken sandwich, we got a fudge pie, we got a whole bunch of fries and mashed potatoes. And
oh, bro, that shit is so gross, dude.
When you can't get over it. First of all, I'm confused. Let me tell you something. This is the biggest thing I've ever seen in my life.
It looks good.
Looks big, fluffy.
Apparently there's like a certain sauce on here. They skimped mine for show. Alright.
Let's see. Oh yeah. This is good. This is really good. Yeah. It tastes like, I don't know why, I taste a donut.
This shit's really not bad. Like, I'm gonna finish this whole sandwich.
I just feel like, I've been seeing pictures, right? And it just be looking at me like, it just looks like a basic ass chicken sandwich. Like, how chicken sandwiches from fast food places be kind of dry? This is not dry. It's sweet, it's moist. It's honestly cooked to perfection, I can't even lie.
There's no disappointment here. I'm a little bit disappointed in the mashed potatoes. Like, I'd rather eat these french fries instead.
Really? Both are good to me. I like them both. But, like, Yeah, the fries are a little bit better. Well, you know what the cool thing is about playing your music? Is we don't get copyrighted. I really can't get over how sweet this is. Like, it's a sweet, I don't know if it's the bread or the batter of the chicken, but it's so, I really keep getting a hint of like donut.
It's the bread. The bread is a little bit sweet. They put some sugar. I heard there's crack in these. I don't know. Might have to go back for some more.
Oh my god. I feel like before these chicken sandwiches were a thing, I used to work somewhere that was near a Popeyes and it wasn't this good. Maybe they did a little, maybe they did some renovations with the menu, because I remember shit was not this good. I could also be high. We did smoke a little bit ago.
I do remember they had roaches.
All right, we're back. This is the baby.
You boo boo. You boo boo shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look up Tory Lanez.
Okay.
Tory Lanez. We just love his music. He's always the go-to. Always fucking with him. We went to his thing at the strip club like last week.
Performed here, you know, we went to the strip club and kind of made an entrance. It was really dope. I just finished my sandwich and that was no regret there. That was good. That was a good ass sandwich. Like no, it like was so fucking good. I get the hype, I get it. I can't decipher if there is crack in this. We're gonna need it.
There is, because I got this like, hold on.
It just makes the title of this video, is there crack in Popeyes chicken sandwiches? Make us like,
I think there is, because I got this little rush while I was eating it, like, ooh. I'm trying to make a video soon.
like music video, yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna just have to watch out for that, because it'll probably come within the next 2 months.
2 months.
God, think about Ariana Grande doing a meet and greet and every single fan just being taller than her. Oh my god, I would be scared. I would be intimidated.
She needs bodyguards.
She needs at least like 7 on all times.
Nicki Minaj is 5'2".
Oh, she's short. Maybe that's why she looks so thick. Cause
Dude, she has all that work done. It don't even.
It's work.
It's work. Yeah, that's surgery. See, this is my best friend.
Oh my god! Look at the little boy.
So good.
He's a little boy.
He's like, I am really the best dog in the world. He looks so cute.
Little square head.
Little bear. You want a bear?
Wait. Oh, bath?
Yeah.
This shit was really good. And let me tell you something, you guys. There is literally a full.
We're gonna have that for days.
Like 9 pieces right here. It looks like more than 9, bro. There's a lot of chicken. And we only ate the sandwich. And so, just, you know, it looks glorious and we're gonna eat that. But we also forgot about this fudge pie. Oh my god, is this even good still?
Get it.
Romeo. Wow. Yo, wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Wow.
I definitely feel like higher. Like my vision's getting fuzzy.
Thanks for chilling with us.
It's a good eat.
We're gonna be back. We'll see you guys next video. Subscribe and like and comment. All that shit.